Why hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you afraid of color? Well, I'm sure not. Look at me today. I love neutrals, I love colors, I love bold, I love plain, I love them all. I really do. But today I want to show you something I made and I thought it was pretty cool and I want to share with you. Well, two things. I want to show you these earrings, crochet earrings I made, and I also made the scallop on this blouse I'm wearing today, and I thought they go together pretty well, so I said let me show them to you together. So I have two different videos at least so far. One for this gorgeous scalloped I added to my top here because it was too short here and too short here, so I added sleeves and waistline and I love it. So if you want to see that, look for my other video. And in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make these earrings. I also have a necklace to go with it, and I have a different earring in the same thread covered. I'm gonna make another video for that separately. He's follow me everywhere I go, I swear. He's the most adorable rabbit. Say thank you so much, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. I am Ban Ban and I'm a very good boy. Cutie pie, cutie pie. I love my rabbit. I'm sure you love your pets too. I almost stepped on him. Please forgive me, baby. Okay, so here we have an ugly old earrings that we're gonna use today. This colorated old earring, and here is one completed. We're gonna do this later on, maybe in a different video. I'm gonna show you how to do, but for today let's do this hoop earrings. So I have this thread from Joanne. I purchased it. And here's a number 7 crochet. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Double knot. And we have a guest here. Here's my rabbit. Here's my bunny. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. You wanna say hello? Bun Bun? His name is Bun Bun. And lately he started jumping in my bed. My bed adjusted all the way up, and he climbs all the way up. He's a very smart one. So go ahead and take your thread and go with single crochets. It's gonna be a little tricky. Keep going with single crochets. Keep going. There. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so I have to kick my rabbit out and focus on this. So keep going around with single crochet. Trying to make it tight, firm crochets, but not too tight because you have to go back one more time with a different stitch on top. Okay, so as you can see, this moves a lot faster as you get to this point. So go ahead and cover these ugly old jewelries of yours, if you have any. I hope you don't have to buy new hoops for this project. But if you do, don't spend more than a few bucks for it. And I can tell you this is becoming addictive because you can end up cover more than one pair with different colors and textures. They're definitely fun going out. So keep going all the way to the end, and I'll see you there. Oh, and as you cover, these tend to pull back and get it and get really tight, but don't let that happen. You can stretch the thread a little bit to bring it more in the front as you go. It's okay to see the actually earring inside, to peek through, see the material. Keep going, don't get discouraged. It's a little bit annoying, I told you, when you work around the little earring, but it's getting better on the second row. We're almost there. Almost there. Okay, and as you come to the end, make sure this is tight in here. Make it tighter so it doesn't slip down the earring. And we can close it right there with the last stitch, right on the little thing what you inserted in your ear. Okay, now turn your earring around, and we are now on the other side, and we're gonna start this this final stitch. And if you want, at this point you can put a dot of glue right here to secure the last stitch, or let's make sure it's tied, or you can do that after. But right now, let's just go with a slip stitch right in the first loop with a slip stitch. I'm trying to make it tight. Tighten up. Let's do another slip stitch. And maybe another one, about 3 slip stitch. Now yarn over and go right next to it and close it. Go with a slip stitch now. Now yarn over and go right next. Close it. Soon you're gonna see that little wavy definition. Again, slip stitch. This is gonna be your pattern. Slip stitch, yarn over, and go right next, and close it. Slip stitch, yarn over, and go close it. So I'm gonna see it on this side more defined. Hope the camera can focus. Okay, so keep going to the end with the same pattern. Slip stitch, yarn over, then go in the next chain and close it. Slip stitch, yarn over, and then close it. So this is a pretty basic design, and from here you could go a little bit more complex if you want. Okay, so we are coming to an end. Okay, so we're just gonna close it here with the last slip stitch, just to reinforce and tighten it up. Make sure now it's tight. Make sure now is the tightest it can be. Make another loop before you actually cut it. And just cut it somewhere there. Make sure it's tight. tight. I'm just gonna put a little glue, and that's it. I'm gonna show you how to do this as well, and I hope you enjoy this little project. Stay tuned for more. Ciao guys.